How to find someone on Grindr. Hello, welcome to our channel. And in this tutorial, I will teach you how to find people on Grindr. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you guys are wondering, you can download Grindr on Google Play Store and App Store, or you can visit their website using the link down there in the video description below. So without further ado, let's get started. So as you can see, I'm on my Grindr dashboard, and as you can see, I just blurred out the pictures because it may be sensitive for other people, and it's a gay dating app, and I don't want to show any sensitive content in my video, so I just blurred it out. So finding people on Grindr requires you to search for certain locations, and you can use the map and explore there. So as you can see, if I click explore here on a certain part in my country, I can see all the people that use Grindr app on that location. And yeah, that's it. So if you want, you can just also search something for like a zip code or a city location, etc, etc. And as you can see, if I click this location, or if I explore right here, it will show me a bunch of profile right here that I can holler at and invite as a friend. And yeah, that's it. That's how you can find people on Grinder app. And also, that's it for this tutorial. If you want more, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next one. Bye.